We know less and less of the later densities, though I shall impart what we know. For upon the fourth density our bodies become lighter and closer to the light. Love and understanding are the lessons to be learned. 'Tis also a lesson to experience the collective consciousness. Hath thou ever wished to speak from one mind to another? 'Tis entangled minds of which I speak.
Ascending unto the fifth, we are told, upon the latest stages of this density, our bodies fall away to become the light. To travel is to simply think unto thy destination, and there you shall be. Consciousness becomes more united.
The sixth density is of unity and balance, where the paths of choice made within the third density converge, in the understanding of unity, where all is one, and one is all. This is the law of one.
'Tis a regal density, for behold, the plane of angels. 'Tis the angels that inspire balance unto the universe. Give thanks for the work of our brothers and sisters.
The seventh density, known as the gateway to completion and foreverness, is a great mystery. No messengers have emerged from the seventh, so little is known. It's been theorized by the teachers of the sixth, where upon completion of the seventh density, the circle of this octave is complete, returning thy consciousness back to source. Then onto the next octave we shall pass, with each their own 7 densities and their lessons to be had. For what experiences lie within the octaves outside of our own? 'Tis a grand mystery. For even the eldest and wisest of our messengers hath not been made privy to this understanding. This journey of the densities within our octave are not bound unto just the souls of earth, but is the curriculum of our universe, as designed by this Logos, our co-creator to the all. For within another universe, by the art of another, there exists infinite lessons and experiences, inspired by their own design and curriculum.
No words could ever exist to encompass the sheer magnificence that doth exist in this experiential evolution of consciousness. By the stroke of a brush with vivid detail and impassioned hearts, we paint this grand mosaic unto the divine celestial canvas. Colors so brilliant to inspire the next octave, and a proud smile to the all. Now, within the wake of thy new understanding, how dost thee choose to move within this journey that best contributes to thy experience within this grand evolution?
Moreover, thy impact unto the evolution of our brothers and sisters in consciousness.
If I may plant a seed, consider
Love and play.
and play with love.